Ayakui Early Head Start families, today I wanted to show you guys how we make our Play-Doh in the Early Head Start classroom. This is one of my favorite recipes to use in the Early Head Start classrooms. It's super easy and there's only a few ingredients, and it's a great activity to do with your toddler. For this recipe, all you need is 2 cups of flour, half a cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 to 1.5 cups of hot water. First, you combine all of your dry ingredients into a large bowl, so your flour, salt, and cream of tartar, and give it a good mix. And then you add your vegetable oil, your hot water, and I like to let the hot water sit in it so that the salt can dissolve for a minute, and a few drops of your favorite color. And then just give it a mix until it is to the right consistency, and it shouldn't stick to your hands or the spoons once it's done. And then once your Play-Doh is cooled down, you can invite your toddler over to squish it, roll it, and play with it however they want. In this week's packet, everyone received some pages with shapes on them that you can put into your clear pocket and use as a Play-Doh mat. You can have your toddler try to roll out the Play-Doh into the shapes or into letters or however you want. This is a great way to introduce shapes and letters to your toddler and to help them develop their fine motor skills. As always, we hope you guys have fun learning through play. Stay safe and stay healthy. Chew!